you yesterday, beyond $94, go. It is good to remain long on US crude, and then you can expect $96, $97. And on the downside, yes. Similarly on NG, yes, I had asked you to stay long above $8.4. I hope you all profited, both trading with a good rise. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, if you are interested into other commodities including gold, silver and markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany or Nifty, you can watch other analysis as well. The second update is going to be up before the US cash session. Now, first we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start. See, this is the hourly chart for US crude and it is giving a strong rise. It has achieved 97 levels. Now, 97 is a good resistance for US crude and it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs are been seen, the lows are already achieved for the day, 95.5 and 97. This is probably the next resistance zone. If it breaks and sustains above 97.2, yes, you can go long there. Rather, I will say 97.5 is the next target. Beyond this, one can definitely stay long for 99 and plus levels. So be watchful of 97.5, and on the downside you may find a little support at around 96.2, and if it breaks below 96.2, it can again try to attempt and achieve 95.5 levels. Extremely divergent, extremely bullish move on the early charts. Stochastic hitting bottom and bouncing back. MACD is again diverging. RSI is again looking upwards. So bullish indication on all the indicators. Now see the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, after this consolidation, this is the first green candle. Probably couple of green candles, couple more green candles to be followed, and hence yes, we can look forward to 98 and 99 levels. But be watchful of this zone here at 97.8 and 98 levels. So look at this here also. If you look at this, it is largely trading in this bearish channel in the near term. Hence, achieving the 98 levels, we have to be cautious. It can achieve those levels and try to reverse from there. That is another probability which exists, but we'll look into other charts. Directional movement has crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic is again trying to reverse. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI is again looking upwards on the 2-hour chart. Similarly, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts, taking the support here at 93, it has tried to bounce back and it has shown a strong reversal. Now see, first green candle, few consolidation candle, and again trying to break out. There is a resistance at 97 which it is attempting to breach, and then 98 is going to be the major resistance zone. Be watchful of 98 levels, 97.8 and 98 rather, I will say. If it sustains and breaches beyond $98, then only one can say that it is going to act further bullish. The directional movement has crossed over and is showing some bullishness right now. The stochastic is overbought on the 3-hour charts. The MACD is crossed over and it is divergent and indicating bullishness. The RSI is looking upwards here. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, now the support here you will get is at around this zone again, that is at 96, and be cautious at 96.5 and 96. See, it is trying to break out right now on the 4-hour chart. Lower highs, higher lows was the previous candle. It tried to reverse and then now trying to swing again on the upside. 97 the first resistance, and then 97.8 levels will come into picture. Beyond that, 98 levels. So these two levels, 97.8 and 98, these two levels you have to be cautious of. Beyond 98, definitely it will bring more bullishness. Then $99 is the next destination which it might achieve, and in between at 96 levels you have to be watchful. 96 and 95.5, these two levels are next going to be the resistance on the downside. The directional movement is bearish. It is looking forward to a crossover. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD has already crossed over and it is divergent. This is the first green candle. We can expect it to sustain the bullishness. RSI is again looking upwards. Looking at the daily candle. Now look at the daily charts. See, I told you the bearishness is diminishing here. It has achieved the lows here. Also, it is trying to create higher lows. Now with that as higher lows, it is trying to trade in this channel. That is one probability. And the second, which what it is apparent, is $99, giving it a stronger resistance and then reversing from there. So this is the first green candle after the drop, and the previous candle also one should observe is giving you higher highs, lower. So swing between 93 and 97, making the pivot at around 95. So it can again come back to 95.5 and 95 levels and then bounce back from there. If it breaches 95 today, we can expect that it is going to bring more bearishness. Then again you can expect 94 and 93 levels, and below that it may crash. So be cautious till towards 95, and on the upside towards 97. $2 very important, very large zone is there, and hence these $2 you have to stay safe. And yes, on the upside you can see right now it is trading at close to 97 levels. If it sustains above 97.2, you can go long for 97.8 and 98. 98 is the next major resistance. Beyond that it is going to hit 99 levels directly. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 96, you can go short for 95.5 and then 95. See, till 95 it has got a very good support. If it breaks below 95, it will bring more bears and then it is going to drop. But you can still stay short at 96 itself, but trade with a stop loss till 95. It can reverse any point of time. So now I am narrowing the zone a bit, narrowing the no trade zone a bit, and I am giving you 96 to 97.2. Now these $1.2 do not trade. Above and below you can take your position accordingly. Till 99 and 98 levels there is a higher chance for it to reverse, but above 99 definitely we can see it flying high on the upside, and then it is going to rise till towards 104, 105 levels. So take your trades accordingly and take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at NG. See, NG has given a good breakout, got the resistance at 8.7 levels, and yes, it has also increased the width of the Bollinger Bands there. It traded outside the Bollinger Bands, but again getting the pullback there. Now the support here at 8.6 is strong. Breaking below 8.6, you can expect it to drop a little till towards 8.48, and below that you can expect it to further drop. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell. RSI near to top. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to reverse again, and see, this is after this retracement, it is, and this is the reversal candle now trying to reverse. So till the time it trades above 8.5 today, or rather I will say till the time it trades above 8.6 today, do not short anything. Till the time it is above 8.6, one can again expect it to hit 8.8 and then plus levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is green and it is trading with a bullish bias. RSI is overbought also. So most indicators are overbought, calling for a drop. But we have to be watchful till the time it trades above 8.6. I will not recommend you to take a short entry. Below 8.6, yes, you can go short, and then one can expect 8.5 levels and 8.48 levels. Below 8.48, it will call for a good drop till towards 8.4 and further downward levels. On the upside, 8.8 should provide a stronger resistance. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI overbought. So all the indicators on multiple time frames are indicating overbought levels here. And yes, it is also probable that it may achieve the highs there at around 8.72 and then drop from there. So right now it is trying to give you lower highs, lower lows. Be watchful of 8.72 and then on the downside 8.6. In between these $1.2, you have to be cautious there. The directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see, it is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, getting the resistance precisely there. Sustaining above this, yes, it can give you a breakout, but then the pullback is going to be equally sharp day after tomorrow. So you have to be cautious. If it gives you a breakout in the next candle, see, it is only yesterday's candle which is carrying now right now on this chart. The next candle I will look forward to if it breaks beyond 8.7. Definitely we can expect a good rise out there. Also look at this. The support on the downside at 8.3 is strong. Below 8.3, it is going to crash strongly. Extremely divergent, extremely bullish move. Stochastic is extremely overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and extremely bullish here. The RSI is overbought also. Considering this, yes, it can retrace, but look for this on the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, it appears it is again giving you a bullish move, and be watchful of $9 levels this week. Below $9, it can again retrace from $9. So yes, for the day, if you see above 8.72, you can go long for 8.8 and then above 8.8 there is a high possibility for it to hit $9. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. On the downside, yes, 8.6 levels should provide a support, and largely I will be looking forward to 8.5 levels. If it drops below 8.5, it will bring further more bears. So below 8.6, yes, you can go short for 8.5 to 8.5 and 8.48. If it drops below 8.48, you can expect further more fall, which will bring it till towards 8.4 and 8.3 levels. So yes, you can go short at 8.6, go long at 8.72. Do not trade in between these $1.2 above and below. Take your positions accordingly. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, if you want to learn the art of trading and reading the markets, you can join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. The next batch is starting soon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.